Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today's video is going to be Moissanite versus diamond. But what is Moissanite? Is it true that it can replace the diamond in your engagement ring? If you are curious and want to know more about it, please stay and watch because I'm going to give you some information about this beautiful stone. Okay, let's start with a little history, a little background about Moissanite. It was discovered in the 1800s, so it does occur naturally. However, there is so little of it that most Moissanite that you find out there in the market is lab created. Now, lab created does not mean that it's a fake stone. The stone that was grown on the ground and the stone that was grown at the laboratory, the only difference between these two stones is just the place where they grew. That's the only difference, because both stones have the same chemical and optical properties. But what is Moissanite? Moissanite is not a diamond and Moissanite is not a CZ. Moissanite it's. But let's talk about some differences between a Moissanite and a diamond. Diamonds, you know, everybody knows the diamonds are very expensive, right? The more quality they have, the more expensive they get, and they can get really, really pricey. Versus a Moissanite, compared to a diamond, a Moissanite is cheap. Now, diamonds, they are 99.9 made out of carbon. Versus Moissanite, they are silicon carbide. Now, because of the silicon, the way when the light, enters the stone and then it goes back out, because of the silicon present here in the Moissanite, you're gonna see more color when the light goes back out. And I'm not talking about the clarity of the stone. The Moissanite compared to a diamond, I'm not talking about the clarity. I'm just talking about how the light goes back out. So here in the Moissanite, you're gonna see more color added to it. And because of that, the Moissanite is going to have more fire compared to fire, if you don't know what that is, in the jewelry world, when we talk about fire, what we are talking about is the chime of the stone, the boom that catches our eyes. So that's the fire. So Moissanite is going to have more fire compared to a diamond. Also, diamonds, they score very high on how hard they are. They are the hardest mineral in the world. They score 10 versus Moissanite, they score 9.25. They are the second in the hardest to a diamond. So Moissanite is gonna last. It's a durable stone. Versus Cuban zirconia, a ZZ, is not a hard stone. That's why it gets scratched easily, because it's not hard. And when they start getting scratched and all that, that's when they start losing their shine, and that's why you have to replace it. Moissanite and diamonds, they both are really hard stones. Another difference with diamonds, how some diamonds have conflict going on, with things that are happening in Africa and all that, the way how diamonds, how some of them, the way they are acquired and all that. So there is, with some diamonds, there is some conflict going on. So with a Moissanite, you don't have that, because the Moissanite is lab created, so it was made at the laboratory, and that's that. So Moissanite is conflict free. So to me, that's an advantage about Moissanite. I think the reason why some people are going for Moissanite instead of diamonds is because, for a good quality diamond, you will have to pay a lot of money. Versus with Moissanite, you can get something that looks as pretty as a diamond for way less money. I have seen both Moissanite and diamonds, and they both look very pretty, both of them. And I think that you have to have trained eyes, or you have to know your stones, you have to know your jewelry in order to tell the difference between one or the other. So, and I think if you are looking for an engagement ring, or maybe, I don't know, if you're 25 years wedding anniversary and you want a chain ring or just get a new ring to celebrate, I think Moissanite is a very good alternative. Now, I like to get my Moissanite from JTB because I think they have affordable prices for it, and I think the stones that they sell looks nice. And I'm gonna put a link down there in the description box. And I don't remember the rules, so I'm gonna also try to put a link about the rules so that you know what it's all about. But I believe if you haven't bought from them in a year, or if you are a first-time buyer, then when you use this like a coupon, I think that's how you will call it, you will get a little money back, and I will get a little money back, which is not cash money, it's just a little discount money. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it is so and you like it, please give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post a video. My channel is all about beauty and you're welcome to leave a comment and let me know what is it that you think. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend and I will see you next time. Bye.